Hello grade 8 students, here is Summary 16 for week 20 and the topic for today is our food. Document B. Bread is the most basic food in the world that is mainly consumed at every meal. In our research in identifying some of its organic constituents, we conduct the following experiment. Indicate the objective of this experiment to identify some of the organic constituents of bread. It's mentioned in the text. Describe the given experiment. Always, when we are describing, we have to use the legend in front of us and we have to use past tense. So we say, a slice of bread was placed on a dish, then iodine solution was added to it. At the end, a dark blue color was observed. Okay? Analyze the given experiment. We can start upon or after, or we can start from the result like a dark blue color appeared after adding iodine solution to a slice of bread. Okay? Interpret the given experiment, analyze, then this indicates that upon adding iodine solution to a slice of bread, a dark blue color appeared. This indicates that bread contains starch. Part B. Many scientists suppose that bread contains proteins. In order to verify this hypothesis, we conduct bioread test by adding CuSO4 and NaOH. Pick out the studied hypothesis. Hypothesis: bread contains proteins. Describe the given experiment. Always when we describe, we have to use past tense and we have to use the legend in front of us. Look at the arrows and use their meaning. So we say, a slice of bread was put on a dish, then copper sulfate with sodium hydroxide was poured. At the end, a violet color was obtained. Okay? Interpret the given experiment. A violet color is obtained after adding copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide to a slice of bread. This indicates that the bread contains protein. So we analyze, then we use the indication. This indicates that. Now test to identify inorganic constituents. We have the variable first, heating slice of bread in a tube. Result: a drop of water appeared at the tube. When drops of water appeared on the walls of the tube, this means that this food, or here bread, contains water. So we say this indicates that the bread contains water. Okay. The second one, adding distilled water to bread and also silver nitrate to bread, the result was white precipitate of silver nitrate was obtained after shaking. Okay, when white precipitate of silver chloride is obtained, this means that bread contains minerals. So this indicates that bread contains minerals. Bread is a complex food. Justify the statement using all the previous documents. Since bread contains starch, proteins, and minerals, also water, so bread is a complex food. Okay? Fill the given table by positive or negative, then give the suitable indication in the positive case. Okay, grapes give yellow with iodine, it's negative. Brick red with Fehling, it's positive, and blue with Birt, which is also negative. Why? Because iodine, when it's positive, it should give dark blue. Fehling should give brick red, and Birt should give violet if it contains proteins. So, the first one, grapes, reducing sugars but no starch or proteins. Okay, because Fehling detect the presence of reducing sugars and it's positive here. So grapes contain reducing sugars but no starch or proteins. Banana with iodine dark blue positive, with Fehling blue negative, with Birt blue negative. So banana contains starch but no reducing sugar nor proteins. Potatoes, dark blue with iodine positive, blue with Fehling negative, blue with Birt negative. So it contains starch but no reducing sugars nor proteins. Fish gives yellow with iodine, which is negative, blue with Fehling, which is also negative, violet with Birt, which is positive. So fish contains proteins but no starch or reducing sugars. Okay. Let's solve application 1. The following table summarizes the experimental results of 4 tests done on 4 different foods. Predict the observation, color, or precipitate in each positive test. Red meat, positive with violet only, so violet with violet test. We are talking about colors here. Milk, positive with violet and فاهلك, so it gives a violet with violet test and the brick red with فاهلك test. Butter, it's positive only when rubbed on a paper, so translucent spot when rubbed on a paper. Banana only positive with iodine, so dark blue color with iodine test. Identify the organic constituent of each of the given food. Identify, we have to start with justification. So we say red meat, since it gives a positive result with violet test, so it contains proteins. Milk, since it gives a positive result with violet and فاهلك test, so it contains proteins and reducing sugars. Butter, since it gives a positive result when rubbed on a paper, so it contains lipids. Banana, the last one, since it gives a positive result with iodine test, so it contains starch.